Hello guys, welcome back to LawGiri. I hope all of you are doing great, all of you are fine and safe. Today we are going to talk about AP Law CET 5-year and 3-year law entrance exam. In today's video, I'm going to talk about each and every section in detail, wherein I'm going to give you the topics, and I'm also going to talk about the books from wherein you have to cover these topics, and I'm also going to share a strategy that how you have to go about these topics, what you need to practice and what not. Right, let's get started with today's session. And if you have any doubt while or after watching this video, you can leave a comment down below, and also consider subscribing to LawGiri. And if you want to prepare for any other law entrance exam, you can find a video on our channel, and if you haven't, then you can leave a comment down below. I'll try to link the video in the reply. Let's get started with today's session. First and foremost, marks distribution. Part A consists of 30 questions carrying 30 marks, general knowledge and mental ability. So 30 questions carrying 30 marks. So there's going to be GK, that is static GK, and mental ability. Then you have 30 questions current affairs, 60 questions aptitude for the study of law. In the questions in part C, aptitude for the study of law, elementary knowledge of basic principles of the law and Constitution of India on the part of the student is assumed. Therefore, आपको जो बेसिक टॉपिक्स हैं लॉ के वो पढ़कर जाने. You have to study those topics like that of torts, criminal law, contracts and Indian Constitution. For 5-year law course, the standard is expected to be that of it is going to be comparatively easier as compared to 3-year law. So that is what they are saying. Eligibility for admission. For 3-year, the eligibility criteria is that you should have scored 45%, and for 5-year law, you should have scored in your 12th class 45%. The list of places where the exam is going to take place is here. You can check that out. Medium of the exam is going to be Telugu as well as English, right? AP Law CET, then again they have discussed the same thing again, which we already know. There are 90 minutes that they are going to give for the exam. The total number of questions are 120. Logical reasoning, if we start with, we have analogy, series, odd one out, coding, decoding, blood relations, directions as test. All of them are very important. Verbal reasoning by R.S. Agarwal is a book that you need to buy. Now, analogy is it is a long topic. You just need to spend 2 to 3 hours with this topic, and you need to understand the concept, and you're done, and you have to move on, right? And that is what you can do. One more topic that I would like to add to the list is puzzle test, which is important. So all of this you have to solve from verbal reasoning. This is a good book. Go through this book, and I'm sure you'll be able to solve questions related to logical reasoning on the day of the exam. For legal aptitude, you have to study Indian Constitution. For Indian Constitution, we have our own course as well, which is in English. That is Hindi, and English is the language of the course. If you want to buy that course, the link is in the description box. Now, once you've bought that course, it would be easier for you to understand things. Thereafter, you have to you have to read the explanation that is given in Universal's book for CLAT and other law entrance exams. From this book, you have to read the explanation of Indian Constitution, and thereafter, you have to solve MCQs. You have to solve questions related to Indian Constitution that have been given in the book. The good number of questions, around 500 to 600 questions that have been given in the book, and you need to solve all of these. Moving on, legal terms and maxims. I have provided a list on my website, that is www.lawgiri.com. You can visit that and you can study from there. I've also done videos on my channel with regard to legal terms and maxims. You can study from there also. For landmark judgment, you can check out Universal's book, the same book from wherein you do your Indian Constitution. And you have to cover your landmark judgments from my videos as well. That is available on YouTube. Thereafter, there are important acts. Again, this topic is covered very nicely in your Universal's book. Legal GK. For legal GK, you have to cover this topic called legal awareness MCQs. Right? This topic is there in your Universals. You have to solve all the questions, and this will help you in covering the legal awareness questions. Also, you need to study one more topic, that is legal aptitude from Universals, wherein you will be able to cover topics like that of torts, contracts, criminal law, which is very important. And thereafter, important committees you need to cover from my YouTube channel. I've done a video. For International Court of Justice, you need to read a little bit more than usual about this. Again, you can cover this topic from international organizations topic that is given in your Universal's book. Thereafter, talking about general knowledge, You need to cover your static GK from universals itself, international organizations, science, geography, important organizations in India, books, important days, sports, facts, and about Andhra Pradesh. Now, facts about Andhra Pradesh need to be covered separately. You can Google this term and you will find a lot of docs on Google itself, and therefore you can study from there. Rest of it you can study from Universal's book. You have to cover the MCQs from Universal's book. Pick the MCQs, study it. You have to study, like you have to learn around 30 to 40 MCQs every day. Copy the answer from back, and thereafter you're going to Google about why the answer is what it is, so that you understand and learn. This is the way you can cover the most important questions of general studies from your Universals book. Again, the same book from where we are covering a legal part. Right, and then we have current affairs. For current affairs, you need to follow my channel EduGiri. EduGiri is a YouTube channel wherein I do the Hindu analysis daily. 6 p.m. we have our live class. You can attend that live class if you can, and if you like, the language of the session is Hindi and English mixed. So if you are not comfortable with Hindi, then what you can do is you can visit my website www.lawgiri.in, wherein you will find the most important questions. www.lawgiri.in, wherein I've covered the most important questions of current affairs for January. At least we have covered, and slowly and steadily we'll be giving you other months also out there, so you can go for that. And also we provide Mark the Hindu, handwritten notes of the Hindu of current affairs on this website itself, and it is just for rupees 100 per month. You can subscribe for that also. That is going to help you a lot. Right. So, guys, if you want that I should come up with AP Law CET mock tests, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I would love to help you out with that. You can also visit my website www.lawgiri.in if you want to buy anything related to current affairs or mock tests related to MHCT or other mock tests that are there on the website. And if you have any queries, you can leave a comment down below. I would love to answer. And you can also join in our live session that happens on Sunday 11 a.m. And if the time changes, we inform you on Instagram, that is at I'm LawGiri, or on Telegram, that is LawGiri. That's it, LawGiri signing off. I'll see you super soon. Bye and take care.